Welcome back, loves. Tonight we're creating a sweet sleep sachet, a simple but powerful way to invite peace, clarity, and spiritual protection into your rest. Calms the mind, but also supports your spiritual journey as you sleep. Let's begin this ritual together.
Sweet Sleep Sachet, a simple yet powerful ritual to invite calm, clarity, and spiritual guidance into your nights. Begin by gathering chamomile flowers and lavender buds, two herbs known for their soothing properties. Take a moment to feel the texture, inhale the gentle aroma, and set your intention for peaceful rest. As you mix the herbs together in your hands or a small bowl, imagine your worries dissolving and your spirit aligning with calm energy. Now, take your muslin bag and carefully fill it with the herbal blend. Feel it forming naturally in your hands, soft and pliable, taking on the shape of your intention. With each fold and tuck, imagine your dreams being guided and protected. Tie the sachet securely, and as you do, whisper or think your personal intention for sleep, clarity, and renewal. This simple act transforms the sachet into a vessel of energy, supporting your mind, body, and spirit while you rest. As you drift deeper into the space of stillness, give yourself permission to release the need to carry tomorrow's concerns tonight. The sachet will hold your intentions, the herbs will cradle your energy, and your spirit will be free to wander, safe and guided. If thoughts ripple through your mind, return gently to your breath, knowing that each inhale draws in peace and each exhale lets go of tension. Trust that your dreams will bring you what you need: clarity, healing, or simply the comfort of deep sleep. With each night you keep this ritual, you strengthen a bond between your waking self and your dreaming self, opening a pathway for wisdom and renewal. Let your sachet be a reminder. You are cared for, supported, and resting in alignment with divine energy. Now, surrender to the quiet. Feel your body soften into the comfort of rest, your spirit open to gentle guidance, and your heart wrapped in serenity. Tonight you are safe, you are restored, and you are ready to receive the blessings of sweet, uninterrupted sleep. Now that your sweet sleep sachet is assembled, here's how to use it for the best results. You can tuck the sachet inside your pillowcase, place it directly under your pillow, or set it on your bedside table, anywhere close enough to let the calming fragrance surround you as you rest. The gentle herbal aroma will help create a peaceful environment and encourage restful sleep each night. For best effects, leave the sachet near your head so you can breathe in the soothing scent. If at any point you notice the fragrance fading or the herbs becoming brittle, it's time to refresh the sachet. Generally, herbal sachets last anywhere from 6 months to a year, depending on how often you use them and the type of herbs inside. You can also renew the scent with a few drops of essential oil or swap out the herbs for a fresh batch. When you need to clean your sachet, do not wash it in a machine. Simply spot clean the outer bag with a damp cloth if needed, and always store it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. If making your own sachet feels overwhelming, or you're seeking a handcrafted blend made with spiritual intention, I create custom sweet sleep sachets at DaSpiritual Bombs. Each sachet is blended with care and energy to support deep rest, clarity, and spiritual renewal. Visit the DaSpiritual Bombs website to order your sleep sachet, discover other spiritual tools, and explore more rituals for restful nights. Your journey to peaceful, restorative sleep begins here. Remember, as your spirit gently aligns with clarity, the herbs and your intentions intertwine, creating a soothing partnership that guides you toward peaceful rest. As you settle into sleep, remember that this simple ritual carries your intentions forward. Each night, your sachet transforms from a handful of herbs into a meaningful symbol of self-care, mindfulness, and spiritual nourishment. If you're ready to experience restful sleep and spiritual renewal, order your custom Sweet Sleep Sachet directly from DaSpiritual Bombs. Just visit our website and place an order. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more spiritual tutorials, rituals, and wellness tips. Tap the notification bell to stay updated every time a new video drops. Like, share, and comment below with your sleep ritual experiences or questions. I love hearing from this community. Trust the process, embrace the tranquility, and allow your dreams to bloom with insight and inspiration. Sweet dreams await you.